Hi everybody, Chris Holloway. I'm the owner of the MOORE EXPO, and I'd like to introduce my friend Brandon Powell, the owner of SMOORE, Southern Missouri Off-Road Ranch. We started this expo about 6 months ago, and we decided that the Midwest really needed a place where we could go and all come together, share like-minded ideas, be able to view and see the products that we all get an opportunity to look at on the web, but we never actually get to touch, feel, and see. We wanted to bring these products to you guys. In putting this expo together, we really wanted to pin down a good place where people could come and test out their equipment and test out their rigs, have a little bit of adventure, and come see some of the most beautiful parts that Missouri has to offer.
Overlanding, that's sort of what that's sort of the main point of this expo at this moment. Yep. And the insurgents, it's never gone away, but overlanding has made a huge comeback, and we're very excited to see that. Not just in general here at the ranch here at SMOORE, but we're excited for the sport. And so we really feel that the teaming up here with the MOORE Off-Road Expo is going to be a great thing, not only for the sport, but for the ranch as well. We'd love for y'all to come here and camp here. We'd have plenty of primitive type style areas for you to stay in, test out your equipment, do all the kinds of stuff that we know that you're going to need to do before you go on that big trek to Colorado or out to Moab. We have lots of trails that are going to give you lots of experiences for the same type of things that you're going to the MOORE Expo to see and to learn and to possibly even buy and purchase, just like Chris was talking about. And you can come out here and you can use these things. You can set up camp, you can see how all that equipment's going to work, then you can pack it all up, and then you can see how your vehicle's going to perform out there on the trail and what you may or may not need to do to your vehicle. We're super excited about our partnership here, and we really do look forward to having you all out. And Chris has made it super easy for y'all to make a reservation to come stay with us.
We're very excited to partner with Brandon here and bring this park to you guys as a compliment to the MOORE Expo.
Howdy folks, my name is Brandon Powell. I'm the owner of the Southern Missouri Off-Road Ranch. We have 943 acres here with over 100 miles of trails. They range from easy to insane and everything a little bit in between. We are not only just an off-road park, but we do have a campground to go along with everything. We want you to be able to come here, camp, have some nice amenities like bathrooms, etc. for you to stay with, and we want you to bring y'all's families. We do have 8 cabins here on the property. They really pretty much have about everything you're going to need for the weekend stay. We provide all your linens, all your towels, so all you basically need to do is bring your personal bag, your clothes, and your four-wheeling rig, and you can come here and have a great time for the weekend. You might want to bring some food too, depending on whether we got our cafe open or not. We also offer up to 44 electrical campsites, and we have unlimited primitive and generator camping at the moment. Folks, I hope you do come see us here at the Southern Missouri Off-Road Ranch. We're located just 5 miles south of Seymour, Missouri. Thank you.
The MOORE Expo is at the Empire Fairgrounds in Springfield, Missouri, 50 miles from SMOORE. There will be a scenic backcountry route you can explore between the expo and the campgrounds. The MOORE Expo is February 15th and 16th, 2020. Visit mooreexpo.com for tickets and information. See you there!